Hey everybody, just a little update. They're just pecking around on the ground. Some have a little confidence and fly off and come back, but mostly a couple of days of just this. Something scared them, now they're all going. Coming back out after getting spooked. Like I'm doing everything together. We pulled the 9th and 10th flights some week back. I'll show that right now. Alright, so we're just pulling the feathers and I just grab them and just man. And then we're just gonna run them through the trap. Everyone's done. Put them out on the landing board. And I'm gonna draw a bath for them and clean their loft out real quick. Let them just hang out because that's stressful on them. Everything you do to them is stressful. But all right, let's clean it up and get them food, water, and a bath. All right, I cut down on the feet a little bit. Let's see if they've listened or they listen better today. They haven't been listening. If they go through the trap, that's cool. Or if they go through the door. I'm not too picky right now. But again, come here in about a week or two, the rules get a little more strict. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, just like little chickens. Come on. Come on. So we're gonna use the trap, it looks like. That's good. Come on. Yeah, they're thinking. Yeah, they want in. So that's why we'll leave the door open. We'll help them out. We'll help them out. Well, come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, you little chickens. Go. Come on. Come on. All right, the last of them are in. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like, share, subscribe.